This is how to add a section in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, you can select a project or you can create a new one. Let's say we will create a new project. Let's start with a blank project. Let's say section and click create. To add a section, you can just use backslash and type section, and inside this parenthesis, let's say intro, and if you want to add, let's say conclusion, and to see the result, just click recompile and you have your two sections. You can also go to this tool, section heading level, and you can select section. First, you need to type this is a section, highlight and choose this tool and choose section, and you have your section, and just recompile. So this is how to add a section in Overleaf.